Hi guys, it's Sin again, and I know it's been a long time since I've done a video, but I've had a couple things happen which were quite dramatic. So the first thing is I got my cataract surgery. I'm pretty young, I'm 55 years old, so that was kind of unexpected, but I am so glad I got it done, and I have really good vision now. I can see far and I can see close, so that's awesome. And the second thing was Hurricane Lane came through Hawaii, and good thing it didn't stay a hurricane, but we're all doing okay. I'm on Oahu, so we're all good. So anyway, those two updates, but let's get into the August Sew Sampler monthly subscription quilting box unboxing. So it says my happy place, and quilting and crafting is a happy place for me. So this is what it always comes with, and I'll put it on the side so we can look at it as we go. I see the first thing is fabric. It's called Arctic, and usually I'm not a fan of these muted colors, but it will be nice for backgrounds, so we can see what what it comes with, the pattern. So standard seam guide 4-in-1 tool. Set your quilting standards high from It's Sew Emma. So I'm not quite sure. Oh, it's a seam guide, so it's a little like a ruler. So I will check that out later. Aurifil thread, and this is color 2405 or MT2000. I'm not quite sure. So it's weight 50, and yeah, I'm not sure. Anyway, always could use thread. And this is awesome. It's pink. I love pink, and it's an Olfa Splash Rotary cutter. I can always use a new rotary cutter, and I like that it's 45 millimeters, which is my preferred size. So that will come in very useful. And here's the barn block number 5. Again, I haven't started yet, but I plan to do so soon, and that's really cute. It's a little pinwheel in the middle. I love pinwheels. And here's the quilt pattern that corresponds usually with our fabric. So this is called Easy Living. So it looks like Lazy Boys and a lamp. That's really cute. Like yeah, Lazy Boys. So it's really cute, and I like that it's full color. And there's a lap version, a twin version. So there's two sizes. So that's really cute. I like that. So let's see how much everything cost. It costs $24.99 per month, and it's $4.95 shipping to me in Hawaii. I'm not sure if that's standard. So this one, let's get it. I didn't even show you. So it's from Elizabeth Hartman, 20 pieces, and it's Fat Quarters. No, it's not. It's a Fat Quarters shop exclusive. So anyway, we get 20 pieces, and there's feather, flower, all in beige, gingham, like a mauve polka dot, same feather in like a gray background. This is nice. Stars and dots, gingham again, light gray polka dots, flowers on light gray, green gingham, green feathers, green stars and dots, green flowers on a light background, light blue, ice blue stars and dots, light green dots, light green gingham. It's a dark gray dots, dark blue gray flowers, dark blue gingham, dark blue feathers. So actually it's really nice. I do like it. I like the feathers and all the designs. So I really like it. And that retails for $16.98. I hope you can see, $16.98. Next one is 50 weight Aurifil Oyster thread. And it is, I guess it's color 2405. And that retails for $3.98. Fairy Floss Splash, it retails for $16.48. So Standard retails for $6.48. It says that we're the first. We received it first if you're a Sew Sampler member. And there's a promo code, so I don't want to show that, but it says exclusive deal. Enjoy 15% off all box items. And then the next thing is the pattern is $9.98. And Barn Block Recipe number 5 is retail $4.98. In the description below, I'll put all the links as I usually do, and the price of the retail value and the price of the box. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Bye.